Hello students, welcome back. I am going to discuss chapter 2nd, Principle of Management, topic 14 Principle of Management given by Henry Fayol. Principles of Management. Management principles are the universally applicable rule or recommendation that guides the behavior or decision making of a manager. Basically, there are two experts who have developed the principles of management. First, Frederick Winslow Taylor. He is well known as father of scientific management. Second, Henry Fayol. He is well known as father of general management. Henry Fayol, who have developed 14 principles of management. हेनरी फेयोल के 14 प्रिंसिपल को याद रखना थोड़ा टफ है। इसे एक ट्रिक के अकॉर्डिंग याद रखा जा सकता है। एक कन्वर्सेशन जो डैड और सन के बीच है। सन से डैड UCUSSR, डैड से OIC। D for division of work, A for authority and responsibility, D for discipline, U for unity of command, C for centralization and decentralization, U for unity of direction, S for scalar chain, S for stability of personnel, R for remuneration, O for order, I for initiative, S for subordination of individual interest to general interest, E for equity, E for spirit de corps. First principle of management by Henry Fayol. Division of work. As per this principle, the work should be delegated to person who can do it the best way, which result is specialization. Second principle of management by Henry Fayol. Authority and responsibility. Authority means the right to give command and receive obedience from subordination. Responsibility is when a person is accountable for duties assigned by him. Third principle of management by Henry Fayol. Discipline. Every employee has to follow the organizational rule and comply with the team of employment agreement. Fourth principle of management by Henry Fayol. Unity of command. Each employee should have only one boss from whom he or she gets order or instruction and is accountable to. Fifth principle of management by Henry Fayol. Unity of direction. The work and the efforts of organization as a whole must be in same direction. Sixth principle of management by Henry Fayol. Subordination of individual interest to general interest. The organization interest is given precedence over interest of our individual employees. Seventh principle of management by Henry Fayol. Remuneration to employees. Fair and equitable wages are to be paid to the employee to ensure their satisfaction and increase productivity. Eighth principle of management by Henry Fayol. Centralization and decentralization. Centralization is when the top level retain authority. Decentralization is when there is delegation of authority at all levels. Ninth principle of management by Henry Fayol. Scalar chain. A chain of authority and communication must exist that follows from higher to the lowest level to avoid chaos and delays. 10 Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Order. There must be a proper place for everything or everyone, and everything or everyone in its or his or her intended place. 11 Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Equity. Kind, just and fair behavior of managers towards workers create a friendly atmosphere between superior and subordination. 12 Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Stability of personnel. Employee turnover should be reduced to ensure effectiveness and efficiency. 13 Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Initiative. Employees need to be motivated to put forward their ideas or suggestions and execute them. 14 Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Spirit the corps. Spirit the corps is a French word which means team spirit.